In this video, we will be looking at some detail functions of the microwave model 3079. After plugging the unit, you can set the time on the numerical display by keying in the hour and minute, then press start. If no clock display is desired after plugging in the unit, simply press the stop cancel button. Bead cooking is accomplished by simply pressing the start button. Continually pressing the start button will increment by 30 seconds to the cooking time. The power level is automatically set to the highest. For time cook, select the cooking time in minutes and seconds, then press start. To pause the cooking, you can press the stop button once or open the microwave door, then press start to resume. To cancel cooking, press stop button twice. During the cooking phase, you can press the power level to view the power level for 3 seconds. To activate a timer, press the kitchen timer, select the minutes and seconds, and press start. In this sample, 240 results in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. At the end of the countdown, there will be a long beep sound. Press stop to cancel. Select the cooking time in minutes and seconds, press power level to navigate to the proper power and press start. You can also select the cooking time in minutes and seconds, press power level and select the power level from 0 to 10, then press start. To reheat food, the list is beverage, dinner plate, pizza, soup/sauce. Press sensor reheat repeatedly and select your option, then press start. For soup, enter the number of cups, then press start. It will automatically set the cook time. For pizza reheat, keep pressing sensor reheat until pizza is displayed, press start and reheating has started. For beverages, keep pressing sensor reheat until beverages is displayed, press start, enter the number of cups, and press start for reheating to start. With sensor cooking, you take out the guesswork in cooking your food. Press sensor repeatedly and select your option, then press start for cooking to start. Select popcorn, then select the weight by pressing popcorn, then press start. To turn on the vent fan, press vent for high fan, press again for low fan operation. Press light to turn light on high, press again for low light. To rotate the inside plate of the microwave, select turntable.